dance through the highways, and on we'll go.
So I made some Bones coffee in my new Bones coffee mug. I made the Franken Bones, and I'm gonna try it. Not sweet enough. Right, Chris is making fun of me because of my milk frother, and he's making fun of me because I can't, he said, really you need a power tool to mix your coffee because you're a YouTube star? No, it's just a beautiful device. So I started out with only, what did I put in here? I think I did 3 or 4 of these monk fruit sweeteners, and that was not sweet enough for me, so I had to add another 4, which I don't know, I don't feel like I need that much with pure or erythritol or whatever, so I put 8 in here.
Did you just start your video with Chris is making fun of me? So you are using me for content. You just started that with my name. Give me a check.
I already had a clip of me drinking.
Give me a check.
Chris gets had the next picture.
Isn't this cool looking?
It's rad, bro. Your power frother. Let me put this in your mouth.
No. No. So, yep. The Franken Bones is a win. I love it. It tastes so good. And it's really good in my tumbler. Using him for content. Okay, Tiffany has another package. This one is from, I think the username is Joe's Friend. They had asked if they could send her something, and they were very proud of her for signing up for wrestling.
It's not just a piece of paper.
I read the papers. I like the papers.
Oh, it's not a Rusev shirt, man. I was hoping you'd get your hero Rusev. Not this villain. This bad guy.
Oh! Let me see. Hold it up.
John Cena.
You can't stop me. Hold it up to you. That'll fit you. That works.
John Cena.
And you got black. Which is funny because I said she would like blue, and then I told Tiffany later that I told him that she wanted blue, and she was like, I want black. So it actually worked out perfectly. And she likes the hollow sticker.
Not Rusev.
I'm sorry, it's not Lisa.
Not Rusev. It's okay.
It's better now.
What do you say, Tiffany?
Thank you.
I think their name is Terry.
That's very nice.
Thank you, Terry. That was very kind of you. Very kind of you. Now she can go walk around with her John Cena bobblehead with her You Can't Stop Me. When did he change? I thought it was You Can't See Me.
I mean, John Cena just brings in all the dollars.
Oh, it says it on the back. Nice. Nice. Thank you, Terry. She says it matches her pants. Kind of, I guess.
The color.
Mm-hmm. So we just went to Meijer to get some windshield wipers, and thankfully my boyfriend knows what he's talking about, because I would have just got 2 of the really long ones. And then he found an ID in the parking lot, so he's a good person and he brought it into Meijer.
Only good people do that? I thought everybody did that.
Good people do that.
Oh,
You're a good person.
okay.
You get something, Linky? You get something?
What you got? What's that? Did Daddy get you a bone? Cold. Cold, buddy.
Get you a real man that will shred your cheese for you. Look at him shred. Look at the shredding action, Link. Look at it. Let's zoom in.
Ooh, it does like little swirlies. I don't like that.
Oh, so that's like grated, like
Yeah. Well, it's all grated, babe.
like a
Cheese grater.
like a grated Parmesan.
Grated A for awesome.
I'm zooming in.
Get yourself a man who will grade your jeans for you. Get yourself that man.
So, did you do all 4 sides now?
No, I didn't do this side, but I think it's
Finely shredded cheese.
Yeah. Watch those fingertips. You're gonna need those one day. You're so lucky to have a man to grade that cheese for you.
I am. Look at the cheesy already grated. He's a cheese grating fool.
Put my whole body into it. Link, don't worry, my bro. I'll hook you up.
Alright, so I have raspberry cheesecake keto chow. It is $2.55.
I don't know why that's funny, but it is. Why? Why?
The good spiral.
The children are free. They're going wild. There's my ball.
Hey, sis, go.
So I'm making Parmesan crusted chicken and some broccoli that I steamed. Here is all the chicken. I just cut the chicken breast in half and I pounded them out. And then I coated them in an egg wash and then in the Parmesan, and then I cooked them in butter. And here they are. Ooh! Don't these look good, Reese? You don't know if they look good? Deliciosa. So here's dinner. It is one of the chickens and some broccoli with some sour cream, and I'm going to dip it in some of this honey barbecue and have a Dr. Zevia.